Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. We have KESHA here with Hate Me Harder. Okay, so this is a song that deserves more attention in my opinion. It has a deeper meaning and message here. Watch the music video, I think you understand that. When it comes to the playing here, it's very easy. We have a capo set here on the 6th position here, so capo on 6th fret. And with that, we have 4 chords that goes in the same way through the entire song. So let's take a look at the 4 chords. We have first the C, 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. The next one is the E7. So that is open E, 2nd A, open D, 1st G, 3rd B. I like to add that one, and the open E. Then we have the A minor. That is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord is the F. That's a bar chord. You place the bar on the 1st fret over all strings, and then the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Alright, so here it's up to you to play this in pretty much how you want. It's just a matter of downs here, and it's a matter of timing, okay? So you can choose to play 4 downs per chord like this. So that is one round. You can do that through the entire song. It's not what's going on in this song, but that will be a very even tempo to follow here and very easy to learn when the timing is to change a chord. We can also half this amount of time, so you can just play 2 times per chord. So and then, of course, you need to have longer breaks in between the downs there. But you can also go down to as little as just 1 down per chord, and then mix it up with sometimes 2 of the next chord, 4 times of the next chord, and go back to 1 again on the 4th chord. It's up to you, as long as you know when the timing is to change a chord. That is pretty much what's happening in the song. Sometimes there are more downs on the instrumental part, and then sometimes it's just even quiet and just the lyrics. So one example of how you can handle this song is shown in the intro to the tutorial here when I played it for you, but I can show you again how you could handle this song. So let's go. And so on. Alright guys, so KESHA, Hate Me Harder, that's what's going on. So thank you for watching guys, and play tuned.